This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the clock or timer app and switching to the Stopwatch tab. This gets you straight to the source of the alarm. Once there, look for the running time and any alarm or lap icons that indicate an active alert. Make sure your device is unlocked and the volume controls are accessible so you can silence or stop sounds immediately. This setup avoids delays and lets you act on the next steps without hunting through menus. You should stop the stopwatch by tapping stop. This prevents new alarm triggers tied to completion. Once stopped, when the alarm dialog appears tap dismiss or silence, this explicitly tells the app to turn off the current alarm tone. If the alarm continues, use your device's quick settings to lower media or alarm volume or temporarily enable Do Not Disturb. Doing so is faster than digging into settings and ensures the sound won't interrupt you while you finalize the. Next, go into the stopwatch or clock settings and switch off any auto alert, end of run, or notification options to prevent future alarms. Once you save changes, close and restart the app and confirm the alarm icon is gone. If you still hear alerts, force close the app, check system notification permissions, then reboot the device. These steps refresh permissions and clear stuck processes. If updating the app is available, install it. Updates often fix persistent alarm bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.